So today I'm working on a 2013 Toyota Corolla. It's been at multiple shops, have tried to fix a misfire concern on cylinder 1. They replaced spark plugs, ignition coils. Dealership recommended a engine replacement for coolant intrusion in cylinder 1. Took it back to their local mechanic. They supposedly did a head gasket to it. Unfortunately, it was wrong. They never did the head gasket, but yet they charged the customer. Come to find out, it is coolant intrusion in cylinder 1. I do have a pressure tester hooked up to it, so I'm pressure testing the cooling system while I'm using a borescope to look down in the cylinder where the spark plug actually goes. And if you can see the accumulation, that is coolant leaking from the head gasket. These motors were known for having issues with the block, causing warpage and coolant to leak past the head gasket. So unfortunately, this customer needs to have the engine replaced, not just the head gasket.